Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Our subject is information technology, code is 402. In today's class we will discuss about the digital documentation LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is a word processor. As you know, word processor are using for the editing and formatting in your documentation. Some kind of the digital documentation like in a Notepad, WordPad, MS Office Word, Google Docs, these are some kind of the word processor are here, but we are using a LibreOffice software. In there is a word processor as a writer. So in today's time we can use the word processor for the creating your documents, your assignment, your question paper. In the many places that we are using, like offices, at home, school, organization, offices, classes, institutions. So in today's class we will discuss some kind of the topics are here: how to start LibreOffice Writer, components of LibreOffice Writer, edit the document, paragraph alignment, checking spelling and the grammar, creating header and footer, changing text cases, inserting a table. So first we open our LibreOffice Writer, go to the start button, then click on all program, then LibreOffice 6.2, and then we have to click on the LibreOffice Writer. After that a window will be appear like in this way. Some kind of the components of the LibreOffice Writer is the top of the always the title bar. In Windows and Linux is always top on your document, but in Apple के जो सॉफ्टवेयर होता है उसके अंदर ये ऑलवेज ना बॉटम. So when you see on the title bar top of the left side, you can see the icon and the file name. If it is the save, then you can be write and can do the name. If it is not saved, then it shows the document, and then axis represent the numbers of the document. It can be 1 2 3 anyone. Right side you can see the window management button. These are the close, maximize and minimize. Bottom of the title bar there is a menu bar having some kind of the menus like a file, edit, view, insert, format, table. Many options are here. You can choose any option according to your requirement. Then there is a slide bar is in the right side of your document. You can see easily here. Otherwise you just go to the view menu and use the slide bar. Just it is an interface that in use. Too many options are here. If you want to be hide it, then you can be hide and show option also from there. Status bar always bottom of your documentation, where you can see the status of your document, how many characters, how many words you currently using. Ruler bar is used to both side, left and right, horizontal or vertical ruler bar. These are using the rule inches and centimeters. Next is standard toolbars. Toolbars are the two types are here: dock toolbar and floating toolbar. In dock toolbar you can be moved according to your different location. It can be up, down, right and left side. Next is, you can see here the standard toolbar. There is some kind of the options are here, and the formatting toolbar another options are here. You can be used to in the formatting toolbar. Format options are here: bullets, alignment, some kind of these are standard toolbar. You can see the styles, tables, creating some kind of the standard toolbars are here. Next is working area. Area is in the right side. You can see easily here where you can use your work. Next is document. In the edit the document. So there are two types we can be edit our document. First is you just press key alt key plus shift key plus F8. You can be easily edit in your document. Otherwise just go to the edit menu bar, selection mode and block area, where you can easily change your content and editing are there. Next is non-printing characters. If you don't want to be non-printing characters are here, just go to the view option, then select your formatting marks. Otherwise control plus F10 you can be used. And the third is formatting toggle cases. In the formatting toggle cases you can be changed there also. Some kind of the changes case are here. So when you use to some change cases, just go to the format option, then click on text, then you click on the change case, and you can just here you can see the 5 kind of the cases are here: sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, capitalized every word and toggle case. First is sentence case. In sentence case, every sentence have to start with the capital letter. First letter should be capital and rest of the normal. In the lower case, all the cases, all the sentences are or words are in the lower case. In upper case, all the character will be or word will be capital. Capitalize is your first letter, every word of it should be capital. In toggle case, first letter will be small and rest of the capital. So next is, you can be use the alignment are here. I already told you in the formatting toolbar you can be use alignments are here. Four kinds of the alignments are here: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justify alignment. Right alignment, always use your text from the right side. Left alignment, from your text left side. Center alignment is used to write your content in the center, and justify by default is in left side. Next is for header and footer. Header and footer is used basically. Header always top of your document in the working area, and bottom area it always shows the footer area, that is known as the footer area. You can use any kind of the picture, page number, date in your header and footer. Both parts are here. In the font style change, you can be just go to the style option, then you can change your style, and the font options are there. Next is, how can we create a table? Just creating a table, first we will go to the insert table option. Table में हम insert table पे click करेंगे, then a table will be appear. Otherwise just use to control plus F12 option, then you also eligible for the creating a table. In the table, when you are doing the work, then you want to be delete, then you can just go to table. In table option, in table menu, you just click on delete and tap delete your table. If you want to be row and column particular delete, then go to the table option, click on delete and click on row and column, selecting your row or column which you want to be delete from there. Otherwise just select your table and right click on there, and then you can be also select your delete option, then you use then you can easily delete your table row and column. If you want to be delete with the help of the any key, then you use to keyboard key delete and backspace key. How can we copy a table and how can we move a table? Just select your table and use Ctrl plus C, and then you can place your cursor where you want to be another table, then use Ctrl plus V, then you can easily paste another. So easily you can be copy your table or move your table also. In the next topic is here, customize a table of the content. For the customize of the table content, first we will go to the insert option, where you can use to table of the content and index option. You can see easily here. After that you use to a pop-up menu will be appear there, where you use table of content, index or bibliography. When it appear, then you click on the OK button, then another window will be appear like in this way, where you can see easily table of the content, index or bibliography. There are some kind of the options are here. If you want to be change the types, if you want to be particular heading, title you want to be given there, if you want to be change the font types, then you click on type option. Apply character style, how can we do that? Just go to the table of content and index or bibliography option, select your character style. You can see here in the another option is the entries, there you can use to select character style, and you can be added any kind of the thing. You can see in this picture easily here are some kind of the headings. Character style you want to be choose from here in the when you click on the drop down menu, click on edit option, you can also be changed from there. Next is in our this, how can we choosing paragraph style or heading labels. For the choosing paragraph styles or heading labels, we go to the tools option, Then go to the chapter number and we select the chapter numbers also here. We can also edit the chapter number are here in the paragraph style and click on OK. Next is maintaining an index. For maintaining an index, we go to the edit index. Then the table of the content and index in the bibliography dialog will be open. You can be edit are here and then you can be save it. If you want to be update or delete the index, then just right click anywhere of the index and click on the update index or delete index option. Next is how can we updating a table of content. If you want to be change the updation in the table content, then just right click on anywhere of the TOC as you know, table of the content. There is the context menu will be appear. You choose to update index from there. Then you can be go to the directly index option and then can be update. How can we delete a table of the content? Just go to the TOC, right anywhere you click on the TOC, then click on delete index option. Otherwise you go to the index option and click on delete. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.